millions to me is probably not a challenge. I've been counted out so many times I couldn't count. Funny how now I count and it's having trouble trying to count. To the people that think that I owe you shit, pay back some bitch and you know that shit. Y'all niggas getting too old for this. Please don't think nobody notices. I'm in the floor way too many days. Y'all sleep enough for me anyway. Y'all don't be doing shit anyway. Y'all are not true to this anyway. OVO, East End, wraps up. We might just get here with the Rico. Everyone home for the summer, so let's not do nothing illegal. I gon' make 50 million and I give some millions to my people. They gon' go Tony Montana and cop them some shack at the free throws, but they're from the wave, fam. There's not much to say, fam. They told me to tell you, you man just some wastemans and stay in your place, fam. My dad is from Memphis and I am the king. I should probably just move into Graceland. Madonna's a ting I know and I'm the king of pop. I'm building Neverland. How he hate me when I never met a man. Woo! We might just